Hi, this is Lisa Cardoza. I'm going to demonstrate the Nearpod for teachers. I'm going to start with the ISTE standards for education leaders. My audience would be for teachers and principals and other administrators looking for good technical tools within the classroom. And it would follow the 3.3a and 3.5a. Empower educators to exercise professional agency, build teacher leadership skills, and pursue personalized professional learning, and set goals to remain current on emerging technologies for learning, innovations in pedagogy, and advancements in the learning sciences. Nearpod is a free tech tool that teachers can use to create interactive slides, interactive videos, gamification, and other activities to engage students in their education using multiple devices. My goal for this was to engage students in history, to make history more inviting and exciting and memorable for them. So we start off by going to the Nearpod website, nearpod.com. You can sign up for free. And I have already done so. So I'll just log in using my Google account. As you can see at the beginning, it shows your lessons, profile reports, and such. There's a Nearpod library. There are a lot of different things you can do within it. I've gone ahead with the time to climb. I created like 3 of them here. So to begin, you would go to create. You can do a lesson, a video, an activity, or Google slide. I did a lesson. And once again, those all pop up. I can use, like I said, time to climb is what I used. Click that and then click add. And you can type in your questions there, type in your answers. You can add as many answers as you want. Tab, and then mark the one that is correct. Oops. And over here you can add a reference image, and I'll show you how I did that on my completed product. So I went back to my lesson page, and I'm going to click on preview of what I created earlier. So this would be a slide and what the students see. You could do it as a live participation or student paced. So it will ask you the questions, ask the student the questions here, and they can select which one it is. And then I also added a little key up at the top that shows all the presidents, kind of a little helper for the student if they're struggling. So that's a short video showing how Nearpod works. It's a pretty robust tool to use for all teachers in all classrooms.